Aw, man. I wanted to capture the moment. Here comes the birds. They're coming after the bread. Oops. There's a crow up there. There's seagulls. And they're getting their food. They're getting their bread. Look at that. Yep. And there's a man over there feeding the birds. He must really love those birds so much that they're getting fed. Look at the birds. There's a lot of pigeons, seagulls. They're coming down to get their fiesta. Yep. They're having their feast. Look at that. Uh-oh. Okay, no fighting. Come on, seagulls. Get some food. There's... Ah! Ooh-wee. All right, I got to get going because I don't like birds flying close to me. So I got to get going. But I just thought I captured this quick moment of the birds rushing over to get their bread, their daily bread. Oh, come on. Yep. Okay. All right, peace.